older generations रहते हैं, I won't take it as they are much younger than us.
Experienced person, I must say, like they are not oldies, they are at experience, and quite matured.
Wise, matured person.
नमस्कार दर्शकों, आप सभी का स्वागत है चाय पे चर्चा और पॉडकास्ट शो बाय खुशबू सेठ सीजन 4। आज हम आपको एक सक्सेस स्टोरी बताना चाहते हैं। सक्सेस स्टोरी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति की, ही इज एन प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ EMA, इलेक्ट्रिक मर्चेंट एसोसिएशन, इज एन यंगेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ EMA, और उसके साथ साथ उनको ग्लोबल एक्सीलेंसी लीडरशिप अवार्ड 2025 दिया गया है अभी न्यू दिल्ली में, एंड इज नन अदर देन प्रेम वोरा। तो आप नहीं चाहते उनकी सक्सेस स्टोरी जानने के लिए, तो लेट्स वेलकम हिम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट शो। प्रेम जी, आपका स्वागत है।
Thank you so much.
पहले तो आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई, आपको अवार्ड के लिए भी बधाई, और साथ में बीइंग एन यंगेस्ट EMA प्रेसिडेंट। सो हाउ यू फील?
It feels good, mother. It feels challenging as well as it feels like, a lot of responsibility on myself. Being younger, mother, it's a step where, a process of learning takes place.
लेकिन हमको तो आपके पास बहुत कुछ सीखना है, हमारे दर्शकों को भी सीखना है। बिकॉज कैसा है कि हमारा ये बिजनेस पॉडकास्ट है, हम यहाँ पे इंस्पिरेशन, सक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज लेके आते हैं ताकि हमें भी आगे बढ़ने का मौका मिले, और लोग क्या करते हैं, क्या चीजें होती है दुनिया में, ये भी लोगों को पता होना बहुत ही जरूरी है। सो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं कि EMA में आप एज एन यंगेस्ट प्रेसिडेंट हो, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आप कितने चैलेंजेस फेस करते हो, या आपको कैसा महसूस होता है, एंड हाउ यू हैव प्लान टू वर्क इट आउट?
See, challenges as such मैं बोलूँ तो challenges हर लेवल पे रहेगी, राइट। लेकिन हमारे जो प्रेसिडेंट्स थे, it's been a 9-decade-old association, मतलब they have set the values that hard and that relevant that any of us stepping into this thing can go easy on it, okay? Plus वो एक support system की तरह हमेशा हमारे साथ रहते हैं। Those who are still there, those who are still believing in us are always there to support us. So kind of the journey becomes easy. Plus हाँ, responsibilities है, कौन कहेंगे responsibility नहीं है, होती है, responsibilities आती रहती है। We try to face them, we take them onto ourselves कि हाँ चलो, हम मेंबर्स ने ट्रस्ट किया है हम पे, मेंबर्स ने एक इंस्पिरेशन रखा है कि हाँ ये बंदा करेगा कुछ, he will take us to a next level, he will take the association to the next level, so that gives us a quite good strength and
सो ये आपकी जो EMA है वो काफी 9 डेकेड से चली आ रही है, मतलब हर डेकेड्स के जनरेशन्स की सोच अलग होती है दर्शकों। सो हाउ टू मेंटेन देम, मतलब हर जनरेशन्स के लोगों को साथ में रखना, उनकी उनकी सोच को भी आगे बढ़ाना। पुराने ट्रेडिशंस वाले भी रहते हैं, नए यंग ब्लड्स भी रहते हैं। सो हाउ यू मेंटेन ऑल?
See, the thing is ना कि जो older generations रहते हैं, I won't take it as they are much younger than us.
Experienced person, I must say, like they are not oldies, they are at experience, like quite matured.
Wise, matured person. But the thing is ना कि उनके साथ relevant करना, उसके साथ younger generation को match करना, it becomes very easy for us also sometimes, because the value what they bring to us, the guidance what they give, sometimes encourages us to be, more enthusiastic,
And
more powerful towards our goal. Plus, getting younger generations into business or into the association, are very well nurtured by them, are very well taken care, and the values what we have seen, or the values what we got through them, have been always instrumental in getting the goals what we look
So
for.
इलेक्ट्रिक मर्चेंट एसोसिएशन 88 ईयर्स से चल रहा है। कभी कैसे होता है दर्शकों को कि कोई एसोसिएशन ऐसा होता है, कुछ सालों तक चलता है, फिर नहीं चल पाता, बहुत सारी डिस्प्यूट्स रहती है। लेकिन ऐसी क्या खास बात है ये EMA की कि जो इतने सारे जनरेशन तक चल रहा है, एंड स्टिल यू ऑल आर ऑन द वन प्लेटर, लाइक इट्स वेरी गुड थिंग।
I say the trust, the belief of the members, the trust of the members, and the committee. Yeah, the committee holds the
agenda very firm.
very firm. We are very well focused, I'll say. We are very well managed, I'll say. And the trust and the values, and I'll say the bond which we create among the members are phenomenal. And this makes us, stand apart
from the
the association.
So, आपकी बात सुन के मुझे लगता है आपकी जो बेसिक फाउंडेशन रखा था वही बहुत ही अच्छे से सेट किया हुआ था। ये स्ट्रेटजी बनाई गई थी, ये फंडामेंटल्स थे, और ये प्रिंसिपल्स फॉलो करने हैं, एंड ऐसे ही माइंडसेट था।
Yeah, the mindset is still clear. right? But yeah, we have started moving to the future generation. Like,
And implementing the young bloods also their ideas, their innovations, their techniques.
see, with the young blood comes the new responsibility, right? While getting into a digital world, for the older generation becomes difficult. But somehow I'll say the members as well as the committee. The committee has a balance of both the younger and the experienced.
yes, एक्सपीरियंस बहुत होना जरूरी है तो ही आपको अंदाजा लगेगा आगे क्या हो सकता है. टेक्नो वर्ल्ड जो यंग ब्लड लेके आते हैं
Oh.
तो you have a combination of
I have the combination of both, but somehow both of them gel up very well. The thing is that the future what we are setting goals. Well, see, modernization needs a step.
बस your goals are set. That's why
Goals are very much set, and the modernization what we are bringing into the association, we are being digitally very active right now. Okay, we have started with many things which are digitally active. The members have also appreciated and taken it in a very brighter way. वो challenges थे दिमाग में कि शायद से it would be very tough, it wouldn't be that easy. See, it was not that easy to bring it into the future, but yeah, somehow it clicked and we are very much ahead from what it should.
I want to know like where is EMA work around in Mumbai and how many people you have and what kind of work you all do for this because आपके पास पुराने और नए जमाने के दोनों लोग हैं.
See, we have divided the current workforce is divided into both for the younger one and for the experienced one also. So now there are some old values which we still prefer, which we still go ahead with the events kind of a thing. So yeah, there are some get-togethers arranged for members which were of the tradition, which are long holding traditions going on. We go for industrial visits to make sure that our members are very well known of the current process going on. Now, for the younger generations, we have started, enlightening them, giving them knowledge, giving them some business insights, which are difficult to get from the practical.
Yeah. तो मैम what are your major principle कि आपको ये क्या लेके आना है EMA में आपने क्या सेट किया हुआ है इतने सालों से कि हम कैसे लोगों को ऐसे सेट करें?
Say, the current principle of us, of current focus, what we are focusing on is, making the next generation future ready. Okay? See, it's easy to run a business. I'll say it's easy, but you always need a backup. For us and for my committee, the association goal is basically not to just go as an association, but to help the next generation coming into the business and work as a pillar for them to making the business go ahead, helping them to step forward into that.
Yeah, to push them out, to grow them out, to nourish them out. Very nice. So what you will set for the person who wants to join EMA and how the process is and what's your website? Website we will share you in the description about themselves and all that thing. But we wanted to know how if the person wants to get associated. So what are their normal rules and all that?
I think normal rules is basically they of course being an electric association, they need to be part of the electrical industry. They have been
इलेक्ट्रिक इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे जन होते हैं लेकिन सब आपके एसोसिएशंस के पार्ट में है.
Yeah, every major firm. Well, I won't name them. Every major firm and
New also the startup.
the startups also. The startups also
Very nice. I'm just talking about startup one because they are just growing out.
We are the growing market. They're still babies, but yeah, they look forward to us. For advertising themselves or for making themselves a brand. They get associated with IMA somewhere or the other and make sure that they have been called for the market. Yeah.
So for them as they are new, so you have said some like different for them कि इनको यहाँ तक पहुँचने से you help them out to grow more.
Yeah, we do help them out to grow more. We have various things which helps them. Being a member at IMA gives you various perks. Okay. Yeah, and process is not that difficult. You just need to be, a part of the electrical industry. Some rules, some regulations have been followed, but that are not major and it can't
Because
be.
they are small, they just startup one join, so they are new, they are new with the rules and all that thing. So you helping it out to guide them out to the proper way. It's an important thing.
Yeah, it's very much important, and we look forward for them to join us. Because somewhere down the line, I feel that the Electric Merchants Association can be a backbone for them to move forward. They can connect with the various.
My question was because of the main reason was there क्योंकि यहाँ पे अलग अलग मर्चेंट दोनों टाइप के होते हैं. स्मॉल ट्रेड भी होते हैं, बड़े ट्रेड वाले भी होते हैं. तो आपको उन दोनों को बैलेंस करना है। पर ट्रेड वाले हैं जो एक्सपीरियंस है, उनके पास बहुत सारी रिसोर्सेज है, एंड जो नए आए हैं जस्ट गॉन थ्रू दिस प्रोसेस, गोइंग थ्रू दिस प्रोसेस, एंड सम आर आल्सो इन द मीडिएटर लेवल, लाइक इन बिटवीन. So how you balance all this?
See, for us, everyone's right. Everyone is equal. Okay, for us, we need to hear everyone. We need to set goals, or we need to set, things. We discuss things with everyone, and then come to a common platform.
Because every person, every factory, every companies has their different problems, different problems they face, and they come to you as you are the president, right? So how you solve them?
See, there are different problems with different things, right? But at the end of the day, we all are working on a same goal to each other, right? We are same industry. Somewhere the problems faced by a small trader is small, faced by a bigger one is a bigger. Yeah. But at the end of the day, solution for both are the same, right? So we know we hear each and every one of them. For us, none of them are small, none of them. Everyone has their own points, own things to discuss. We hear them all, and then a committee or the person in charge comes to a good solution and try to bring balance in the end.
In that way, the committee is being formed, for helping and for the betterment and the welfare for the merchants, right? That's why the EMA is being formed. Right. So what's the future plan as in president you are planning for your association?
See, association, the future plans are very much, as I said, the younger generation. I'm being young, I want young blood to look into this. You make sure that they are a part of an active organization. They are the part where, which helps IMA grow or which helps the industry grow. So next decade belongs to them. The next decade is of youngsters, I say.
So you have a goal for EMA. To make this goal successful, you have set any key features, like key principles to to your EMA, that this key principles should be followed it out.
The key principles, I'll say, for us, service, unity, and helping each other. So when it comes to services, we are very much focused that we need to serve our members and our associates. Members have trusted us, members hasn't hope. So by serving them, we know we are going on a right track.
Right.
Teamwork, so the teamwork is one of the key success. Everyone comes with different ideas, different excellency. So, with different excellencies, different ideas, we are all running for a single goal. To make our members proud and make our association, our community proud in the end of it.
Amazing. You're working tremendously to grow your visions. Your hardship for EMA is commendable, and you have done many things for to come out with the new inputs, new visionary. As in if एक इंसान एक business करता है तो एक setup goals रहते हैं, and your fundamentals and your principles are very much clear. This is amazing. We would like to acknowledge you for your work, and this is a small acknowledgement from our side to you.
So much.
सो दर्शकों, आज का एपिसोड आपको कैसा लगा प्लीज हमें कमेंट करके बताइएगा। साथ में इनके बारे में और डिटेल्स जानकारी चाहिए तो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में सारी डिटेल्स मिल जाएंगे। अगर आप हमारे चैनल में पहली बार आए तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में नए गेस्ट के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय, टेक केयर, थैंक यू।